Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down and tap on software information and keep tapping on the build number. If you want to learn more about the build number and actually the developer options, I highly recommend to check our video of how to use the developer options and where you can find them. So after the build number, after activating the developer options, we have to scroll down to enter the actual developer options and then scroll down just a little bit to find automatic update system. As you can see, in my case this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on we have to tap on the switcher, and from now on this device is allowed to apply the updates when the phone will be restarted. So you don't really have to remember about manually not restarting but updating your device, updating the system, but remember about restarting it from time to time. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to activate the automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.